Good morning, good morning. This is Mrs. Alford. I am going to show you where you go on to look at the activities that we have scheduled this morning. So you would go to courses, and then you need to pick what class that you are in. That is either PLT, you have second block, fourth block, or fifth block. So just for example purposes, I'm going to show you PLT. So as you can see, this is the schedule for today. From 9 until 9:30, we have the community gathering. What you will do is you're going to click the button in blue, and it's going to come right to, it's going to say Open Microsoft Teams. If you don't know where it is here, you can always go up here where it says Join Conversation. From there, you're going to open Microsoft Teams. If it is not there, you would go down here where it says Launch Now. Once you do Launch Now, it's going to say Open Microsoft Teams. You're going to click it. Once you click it, you're going to get a black screen and it says Community Gathering Middle. The live event hasn't started, but it's going to say, would you like to join? And you'll already be in. Now let's do that again. Let's do that for our 11:30 meeting. Once again, you would click. Says join conversation. You're going to say open, abre, and it's going to start. Now, also, when you're finished, you would press leave when you're finished, okay? All right, also, you may not know it, but this is also a meeting. Same thing, you're gonna press this, open Microsoft Teams. Tomorrow, Miss Alford will be on from 2:50 to 4 o'clock. 2:50 to 4 o'clock. Okay? I'll be on. You'll press join and then we'll begin. If you have any questions, please let me know. Yeah. And that is all.